Is your sales team losing valuable time chasing orders, invoices, and payments in SAP? With Doxis Order to Cash for SAP, every step of your sales process, from inquiry to payment, runs automatically and in perfect sync. With Doxis Order to Cash for SAP, customer orders move faster, payments arrive sooner, and your teams can finally have time for what really matters, your customers. 3 smart modules power your O2C process: Order, Billing, and Archive. Orders are created in seconds, invoices go out digitally, and all documents are archived audit-proof, seamlessly connected inside SAP. As the Doxis O2C process unfolds, you see every phase, from inquiry and quotation to delivery, billing, and payment, unified in one intelligent workflow. Doxis connects sales, logistics, and finance, giving your teams full visibility and control at every step. Discover how fully automated Doxis Order to Cash for SAP can transform your business.